Well, elsewhere in the news now, right now, the jury is deliberating in the money laundering trial of Fort Bend County Judge K.P. George. He's facing up to 10 years in prison for allegedly using campaign money for personal expenses. Jason Miles live at the courthouse in Richmond with the very latest now. Jason.
Hey there, Ron. Yeah, the jury started deliberating about 2 hours ago, around 2:20 this afternoon, after hearing lengthy closing statements from both the prosecution and defense. Let's begin with video of Judge K.P. George arriving to court this morning. He told reporters he felt good about closing arguments. Inside the courtroom, the prosecution painting him as a liar, basically, who falsely reported what was in his campaign fund after the 2018 election and failed to disclose what was actually in it, allegedly spending the difference, more than $45,000, on things like a down payment for a new home. But George and his team, they say he loaned his own money to his campaign and then paid himself back, which they claim is a common lawful practice. They also doubled down on the claim that this is all about politics, that the DA's office targeted George and then found something to try and back it up. Here's a bit from both sides, beginning with the prosecution.
Today, you get to teach this defendant that simple lesson. Crimes have consequences, lies have consequences, and it doesn't matter who you are, but you will be held accountable.
There is more reasonable doubt in this case than there is actual evidence. This case is it's actually mind-boggling.
Both sides also use some pop culture references in their closings, from a My Little Pony story about telling the truth to the TV show Breaking Bad and how money laundering cases generally require a predicate crime like drug dealing. If convicted, George not only faces prison time, but he would automatically be removed from office as the chief executive here in Fort Bend County. The jury expected to retire around 5 o'clock. Of course, you can look for updates both on air and online. Reporting live from the Fort Bend County Justice Center in Richmond, Jason Miles, KHOU 11 News.